Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix your order total has changed review and try again error in Shopify. So if you're trying to complete a purchase on Shopify but keep seeing the error your order total has changed review and try again, don't worry. In this video I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. So this error usually happens when product prices change after being added to cart. Also, it happens when discount codes expire or don't apply correctly. It also happens when shipping or taxes update in the checkout process. Also, you can face this error when third-party apps interfere with the checkout. Now, let's go over how to fix the issue. Solution 1 is refresh and retry. So, first refresh the checkout page and try again. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and restart the checkout process. Now, solution 2 is verifying the product prices. Check if any product prices changed after they were added to the cart. If so, update the cart and proceed with the latest prices. Now, solution 3 is removing and reapplying discounts. If you're using a discount code, remove it and manually enter it again. If the code is expired, Shopify may reject the order. Now, solution 4 is check taxes and shipping fee. Open your dashboard. Click on Settings, go to Taxes and Duties on your dashboard. Now, here ensure that the taxes are set correctly. Also review your Shopify shipping rates to confirm they are applied properly. Now, solution 5 is disable checkout related apps. If you have apps that modify cart tools such as upsell or discount apps, disable them temporarily and test the checkout process again. In order to do that, simply navigate to your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings and scroll down, then navigate to Apps and Sales Channels. Disable any apps that is related to checkout by clicking on three-dotted icon, click on Uninstall and removing that app temporarily. Now, another way to solve this problem is using a different payment method. If the issue persists, try a different payment method because some third-party gateways can cause pricing discrepancies at checkout. Lastly, check Shopify status to see if there are any ongoing issues with the platform. And that's how you can fix the your order total has changed error in Shopify. If this guide helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify fixes. See you in the next one.